competitions with his depth knowledge of information technologies, and that too right from his college career. He started for work. He started working for Wipro just at the age of 18. He has already developed 350 plus websites and 100 plus softwares along with his team. With 5 years of business experience and 10 years of IT experience, he has provided in-depth solutions to clients who need IT solutions. His firm, IVS Software Solution, provides services like software development, website development, digital marketing, application development, server management, IT infrastructure solution, and data security. He has also worked with various government departments to solve their problems using internet and software. So a lot of us, encounter, actually we use internet extensively in today's world, and must have encountered with various frauds, and the ultimate of that is your bank account getting debited by transactions which are not done by you. So in this session probably we'll come to know about various aspects of how to use internet, what are the do's and don't, how to protect your phone, because nowadays a lot of transactions are happening over phone, and work from home tricks because of this COVID situation, understanding this online scams, and also he'll share some of the insights which you can also make a note of, and transact and live in a secured internet environment. All yours, Sarang.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Vipul, for the wonderful introduction. And thank you, CA Sachin, for starting this session. So I welcome you all in the internet world. So I will start this presentation with saying internet change our lives a lot, isn't it? So we are online, we are taking this session online, we are using our phone online, we are almost online, we are using internet a lot. So it changed our, sorry, I'm just going to mute all. If someone needs to, please let me know. Okay, yeah. So everything is on mute now. So I was speaking about internet. So just I will start with something like, if you can see our internet world, we are into a world of internet, and this change our lives a lot. So it's almost that we are using internet daily lives. Our schools is on internet. In fact, yeah. So this is what application we are currently using. We are doctors are online currently. We are taking education online. Exams are going online. We are using payment gateways in our daily lives to send or transfer payment or receive payment. We are using online booking platforms daily. We are CCTVs are online, and we are shopping addicted, online shopping addicted, isn't it? Yeah. So that's why I said we are almost online. So someone is asked me that you're online currently. So I said yes. Most of this time I said yes. So before starting this session, I'm just running a one poll. So just understand what language you prefer. So you can just select what language you're preferring. I'm just starting this poll of language. So you can just select which language you want to hear. It's just to understand myself. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the response. Thank you very much. Yeah. So I was speaking about the online presence. So we are almost online. We are using internet on daily life, day-to-day basis, and we are using a lot. So let's say I'm just taking you through next word of internet, let's say. So if you can see, don't like you think that we are almost using internet, and if you see a feature, so we are using internet in hospitals. Yes, we are using it currently also. We already started working smart city projects, so we are using internet in smart cities. Almost Tesla like company or big companies are working on driverless cars, so your car will also run on internet. Your home will also be connected to internet, so you can switch on or off your appliances. Your gate can be open automatically. This is what going to happen in next era, right? So I was just sitting with my one of my old friend, and I was just asking, what if this all get hacked? what if it's running automatically, or we are not running it, someone is running it. So what will be, what is going if it's running like this? So my friend just like answered me in a very calm way, Sarang, do you offer to buy Tesla car with of which can cost about 12 lakh 12 crore rupees, sorry. So it was something insulting, but yes, it's true that I will not afford to buy Tesla or something like this. So he said, just stop thinking about this, it's not going to happen with you. So I was quite okay with that. So, and another day I just came across a news on Google. I just, if you can search what's happening in dark web, so you will come across these newses. So like say, an academy database of 20 million users had hacked. Facebook is facing such problem for almost 267 million people, and fresh database of Indian payment cards are available on dark web. So it is for sale. So here my friend said is something scary. It's something that I need to worry. And if my payment gateway or my credit card details are going to sell somewhere, I'm going to face a lots of problem, isn't it? So इस सब में एक बात ध्यान में आई कि like internet is all about us, हम लोगों के बारे में है. So then I just, yeah. Sorry, someone, I'll request again to please be on mute. Okay. So after that, we just went to, we want to be secure basically. After this news is, we want to be secure, much secure. So me and my friend just socha कि चलो किसी expert के पास जाते हैं. Let's listen to someone who is expert into this field. That time he was not that much in this field. So we went to one of the known hacker. We are listening to him, and we said we want to be secure. So he replied, do you use email account or Gmail, like Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo, something like this? We replied, yes, we all do. So he said, stop using it. The reason was, every email that you come to receive or you are going to send is going to trace by these companies. Just to avoid attacks, I must say, web attacks, but that is going to be traced by Google or by Yahoo. So stop using it. So I said, okay. Then he replied, do you use Google, Yahoo or any search engine? Then we again said, yes, we do. We daily use Google actually. So he says, stop using it. Just because every word, what you search on Google is going to trace, is going to save in permanent database of Google, and it can be used for any purpose. And that's what the reason why you get your advertisement on your page, what you are thinking about, what you want to buy. So stop using it. Yes, we said okay. So then he said, do you use Microsoft Windows? Again we said, yes, we do. So he says, stop using it, as whenever the problem comes in Microsoft Windows, you come across a button that said send logs to Microsoft. If you send it, click on that button, so your data, everything, what about your computer, your IP address is going to send to Microsoft server. So again, Microsoft is non-secured operating system. तो मैंने बोला कि चलो ठीक है, it's also okay. Then he said, do you use internet? We said, yes, we all do. Again he replied, stop using it. Why? Because everything is on internet, and on internet nothing is secured if you don't follow the rules. If you misuse it, so it's not secure, so stop using it. This time we said, hold on man, nahi ho paega. Like, we can't stop using internet, right? Because daily we are using lots of internet. Then he said, if you can't stop using it, then be aware. So here is what this session is all about. This session is all about awareness, how you can stop leaking your data, how you can stop anonymous in viruses, or how you can stop any attacks on your data. So just taking you through how they do. Firstly, the 3 or 5 steps that shows how they do, how internet or how hackers hacked internet, hack your data, hack your credit card. So this is all about, they have only 6 techniques that are concerned to this session today. There are many techniques actually, but I'm taking to a 6 techniques. So first technique is keylogger. Whenever you use any banking site or anything, you might be using keyboard to press your password. So keylogger is nothing but the software, or you can call it a virus, that can save your keystrokes, or you can sequence of keys what you press. So this is something that can be, like traced to a server, and that can be used for anywhere. So your password can be get linked to that. Second thing is waterhole attack. This attack is nothing but the, I'm giving you a small example. And waterhole attack is whenever the animal, or let's say jungle में जब भी पैसे animal होते हैं वो कहाँ जाते हैं, तो they goes to water hole, and attacker keep watch on that water hole. So that is what all about. So if source of river is poisoned, it will hit entire stretch of animal during summer. So this happens with us on free Wi-Fi network, coffee shop, wherever we use free internet, and that is open for all. Everyone can log in, everyone can log into network, and they can hack your device. So I'm just going through what attacker, how they do, and I'm going to take you through how we can prevent it. Third step is phishing. As phishing itself shows, phishing is activity of trying to catch fish. Same while phishing is also activity in technical word to catch your data and your system. So like आपने कभी देखा होगा आपके email पे, text में, mobile में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ message आते हैं that shows you कि you have offer of 10 million, you have free loan offer, or whatever that is, and you click on that. That will take you to some page that is not relevant to that text. So that is nothing but the phishing attacks. If you click on that, your account can be get hacked. Fourth one is viruses. Virus is nothing but the software program that get installed into your system, and it keeps sending data to hacker. So you should use antiviruses for that. And I will just give you a Trojan. What Trojan is? Trojan is a type of virus. You might be seen this movie Troy. In that it shows, it is a small story of Greek. I will just go through it. It is something like, if you see a story of Troy, one horse, Trojan, the name of Trojan horse, in that the soldier has been kept, and that was hidden, and this whole horse was taken into center of the city. And in night, these soldiers came out, and they opened the door of that city, and that get attacked. So this is what the story of Trojan. So same way, virus come to your system, they stay within your system, they will send your data without you might be knowing it. So you must be aware about this thing. So fourth attack is this. Fifth is cookies theft. It's nothing but the cookies are the small data that is saved in your browser. Browser can be Google Chrome, Firefox, anything. That cookies can be taken or can be tapped by the attacker. So you should be clearing your history. So all prevention I'm going to take you in after a couple of slides. Clickjacking is attack जहाँ पे you can see, आपने कभी बहुत बार सर्फिंग करते हुए देखा होगा कि आप जिस बटन पे क्लिक करते हो, there might be a 3-4 buttons to download on if you download something, and if you click on some page, that will take to another page. If you click on again page, that will take to another page. This will happen 3-4 times. So it is nothing but they are shown in image, one pay button, and after that one very transparent page that was of hacker page that is appear over there. So that is nothing but the clickjacking. These are the techniques they use. So this, after this I will just go you to do and don'ts. So क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है to prevent this all attacks, to keep yourself safe. So first of all, do of internet is use strong password. तो आप कभी भी जब कभी password create करते हो, you might be facing, you can see screen something like this. This screen shows how strong password is right. So if you type a password, it shows your weak password, strong password, or it's very strong password. So there is a definition I already mentioned over here. The strong password consists of at least 6 characters that are combination of letter, number, symbols, contain upper and lower case, right? And you do that, you type password, software is nothing but the one system, one code that shows you कि वो सही है या नहीं है, right? But you might take a note of this, that the definition of strong password never said it should contain your name, your father's name, your mother's name, or your any family member name, your wife's name, your girlfriend's name, or your date of birth, date of year. But I guess many of us having a password that contains this information, isn't it? If it is, after this session, change your password and keep that is not having this all details. The reason is you share this all details on social media, and that social media, everyone can get trace of that. Even if you search on Google, you will get must multiple time use database of multiple time use password. Let's say Rahul is a very common name. If you find 100 out of 1 people can be have Rahul in your contacts. So that is the reason you should use, you should not use name or anything personal details into this. After that, if possible, wherever the possible, use two-way authentication system. Its setting is available. You can drop a message in QA session. I will show you how to enable it. I will take you to next slide. Second thing of you should do on internet is using virtual keyboard. So now what is virtual keyboard? You might be using internet banking, where you can see the screens appear, where you can see virtual keyboard is there, right? So like कभी सोचा होगा आपने वो क्यों होता है? That the reason is the already I told you method of where how your key can be traced. So if you click on the key, any key that can be traced. Or second example, I can give you many of your offices having CCTV cameras. In that camera, it can be captured. So you should not use keyboard to log into your internet banking. You should use your mouse and virtual keyboard. So I will also, yes sir, please.
Sorry, all the participants, many participants are there who are trying to log in, and we are receiving the queries that they are not able to log in. And Sarang sir itself is our technical expert.
Sorry.
So sorry to speaker also. Sarang sir, you may have to attend one call from our group member. Please attend to that.
Sure,
keep yourself on mute.
Sure.
Okay. To the participants, I would like to tell you something about our series which we are conducting here. So this series, this is the 5th session of our series, and till now we have conducted the topics. Those who have already participated in the series, they must be aware. There was a topic of will writing, which was useful for almost every citizen of our society. Then we had a topic on sale that was useful for all the entrepreneurs. Then the salaried persons who are working with the sales department directly or indirectly. Then we had a session on lockdown financial scenario post lockdown and a way forward. That was conducted by me myself. I'm chartered accountant Sachin Rokde. Then yesterday we had a session on anyone can speak foreign language, anyone can learn foreign language, by our language expert Mr. Soumitra Mahajan. And today's session which we are already listening. And the next session is on 2nd of June by Ms. Dipali Talreja on resume writing. So if you look at all the topics of all the sessions, you will come to know that we have tried our best to cover each and every section of the society, right from senior citizens, as they are more concerned, I will say everyone is concerned with will writing, but they are more concerned. For the students about the resume writing and the business class, and today we are listening, everyone is using the mobile. So this is what our all learning series is about. So I think Sarang sir is on the line, so I think he has solved our problem. So over to Sarang sir. Yes, thank you, participants. I'm sorry for the technical issues once again.
It's okay, no problem. So if some of your friends are facing this problem, so tell them to update Zoom app firstly, and if the link is not working, use meeting ID and password. So you can share this information if someone is facing this problem. Okay, so I'm just starting again. So I was speaking about why you should use virtual keyboard, and this is what the reason. If it can recorded in your CCTV, that video can tell you a password, so that can be a problem where your password can be leaked. Again, so next do of internet is use antivirus software. So you might be knowing there are couple of antivirus softwares available. So antivirus software is nothing but the policeman at your gate, which protect your computer from incoming threats or anything. Any virus cannot become to your system. So you must be using this antiviruses. Then do and don'ts of again, fourth is do of internet is use different account in your system. You might be using multiple times single user ID account. जब भी आप login करते हो, जब भी PC start करते हो, if he is not using password, firstly set a password to your PC. Second thing, अगर आप login करने के बाद एक ही account दिखता है, so you should use multiple accounts for your system. So क्या होता है कि if let's say your child or if you anyone into home is using your laptop and misguidedly, or I say mistakenly, he installs some viruses into that, your system can get hacked, or it can be facing a problem of slow internet or slow system. It can be slow. आप multiple बार आपने सोचा होगा कि system क्यों slow होता है, that is the one reason where it gets slow. Then update your software. As already I mentioned, why to update software. Zoom update करने के बाद वो, because look, one thing that is very important over here, nothing is permanent in this world and nothing is that perfect in this world. So software जब भी बनता है, even when we create in software, we give multiple updates. Updates में क्या होता है, so updates में पता चलता है कि कहाँ पे system lag हो रहा है, कहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, कहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी का प्रॉब्लम है, एंड इन नेक्स्ट अपडेट दैट पैच वो कोड ऐड होता है एंड वो पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ बेस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर वर्किंग गुड. So after updating it, this will work good, obviously. So in Android, if you go, you will check here as screen shows, you should update all, click on update all, so your all this apps will get updated. After that, Windows will come up with update, and most of us लगता है कि क्यों update करना, वो time लेगा, but it is very important, keep updating your system. This is what you used to do. And about don'ts, so as already told you, public Wi-Fi, you should not use it. I have already told you about the method. The hackers, what hackers do, they do a waterhole attack on you and your system can get hacked. Then second don't of the system, don't use any insecure network or shopping site. जैसे कि अगर आप कोई सिस्टम पे जाते हो तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ब्राउजर्स के जहाँ पे अनसिक्योर्ड कहाँ दिखता है, सो हाउ टू फाइंड दैट सिक्योर्ड और नॉट. सो हियर यू कैन सी ऑन स्क्रीन देयर इज अ लॉक over there, so that shows that is secured site, so you can use that for shopping cart. Next is don't, you should not save your payment details on the website wherever you're using your card or your any payment details. So you should not save your details. Coming to next part is don't use multiple tabs. अब मुझे खुद को आदत था ये कि मैं बहुत सारे tabs use करता था. So stop using this because some other stuff can background में run होके that can create a problem for you. So stop using multiple accounts. Then this was about do and don'ts. Now I'll come to a very important part, that is secure your device. Secure yourself is equal to secure your data. So if you secure your device, you yourself will be secured and your data will be secured. Let's see how it can be possible. It's very important step. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. So coming to what can be secured, your PC can be secured. You should secure your browser. Browser is where you use internet. You should use email account. आपका phone आप हमेशा use करते हो, तो it is very important. You should secure it. Then your network. It is very important, but it is something technical. So you might be need your technical support for this. And your data. So ये सारा अगर आप secure करते हो, so there will be no problem of any internet security. So coming to a very important part, that is securing your PC. So मैंने इसमें 3 चीजें रखी है, level 1, level 2, level 3. So let's say, giving you an example of levels, let's say I'm asking you, I will pay you of 10 crore rupees of your data or your phone. This 10 crores can be good amount for someone. If you speak with some big business owner, he will say 10 crore is not worth to share my data or share my phone. So this is all about, you can select your level, what difficulty level you can select, और आप क्या करना चाहते हो to secure your data. So level 1, level 2, level 3 ऐसे बनाया हुआ है. हो सकता है किसी लोग अपने, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि level 1 मेरे लिए ठीक है, मैं वो कर सकता हूँ. तो you can select your level and you can do security checks. So level 1 is use antivirus. Second is strong password. As I already told you what strong password mean. It's never use any personal details in strong password. Different user account, even your phone or your PC have different user account, so use it. Then privacy setting, आपके PC में हमेशा एक privacy setting होता है, so you can search it on and you can or post question into question bar or in QA session. I will cover this. Turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, camera and mic if it is not in use. Level 3, if you want to be more secure, then block your USB. आपका USB पोर्ट जो होता है जहाँ पे आपका पेन ड्राइव लगता है मोस्टली, so block that, so it will not share any data. Someone cannot share data from that. Don't use any other network. Never use free network or Wi-Fi. Secure your network. अब secure your network I am going to take you through next 2 or 3 slides जहाँ पे मैंने secure network के बारे में सब कुछ लिया हुआ है. Use VPN. Now it is very important if you are a business owner. So before that, I would like to run one more poll to understand what my audience is. So again, एक question आएगा आपके सामने, you need to select one. Just select from which you belong. So I will come to know, like I just want to understand the audiences, so I will take that content only in today's session. Yes, good. So it will run for 1 minute. If you answered, no problem at all. Yeah. So I was taking you through VPN. VPN is a virtual private network जिसके थ्रू आप privately एक network create कर सकते हो, उसी network के अंदर data रख सकते हो. So if it is a private network, it will not share your that access on the internet or outside of that private network, virtual private network. So this is what VPN is. For this also you need technical support from someone. Your IT guy can help you in this. Coming to a next part of secure your phone. So if you want to secure your phone, there are again 3 steps, 3 level. First is Wi-Fi should be off, Bluetooth should be off when you are not using. Avoid using free Wi-Fi or free internet. Nowadays internet is so cheap, or very less price you have to pay for the internet, so don't use free internet. Install unknown app. So if you are installing it, just uninstall, and if it is not required, just uninstall it or delete this app. Some apps are, if you after this session you can check your app list. आप सोचोगे कि बहुत सारे ऐप ऐसे हैं जो आपने नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, so just delete that apps. Permission setting, then sorry, second level is don't use unsecure apps. There are many apps that are not secure for you, so you should not use that app. Use fingerprint sensor for the security. Use remote access. Abhi ye remote access app is very important part. If you see, there are AnyDesk or you can TeamViewer is a software that can be used for like sharing your access to anyone. So you should stop using it. Yeah, I got your poll. Thank you for the poll. Yes. Okay. So this is something that level 2 can be happen. After level 3, permission setting. अगर आप phone में आपके check करोगे, so there is every app have a permission. And if let's say, for example, a Uber app is work on your location, and if it's taking access of your gallery, you should just click on not to share your access to gallery, right? So same way you can take a look on your apps what they are accessing, and you should just do setting of not to access your data. Then antivirus for phone is also having antivirus. It's very important for you. Use antiviruses for that. Download if really required. अभी ये it is a very important part. बहुत बार होता है कि आपने आपके friend ने send कर दिया, forwarded है WhatsApp पे, आप download कर लेते हो. Stop doing this. If it is not required, just don't download it. Then again the fourth point is that is in level 3. If your data is very secure or you want to be very secure, then don't use phone as a multimedia device. as आपका phone जो है, it is personal phone, it's for communication and for your personal details. If you want to use as a multimedia, keep two devices, one for multimedia, one for purely business and your official work. The reason is when you use multimedia app, there are multiple apps that anonymously use your data, and that can make you in a problem of hacking or any hijacking. So stop using that. I hope it is important for all of you. Second is, I already told last slide that I will cover secure your network. So whenever you're using Wi-Fi, your home might be having Wi-Fi, your office might be having Wi-Fi. So check कितने digit का password उस पे आपने लगाया हुआ है. This is important. The password of Wi-Fi should be 16 digit plus. So it will be not breakable password. For better one, set your firewalls of setting. Firewall setting is available on any internet connection. Your modem having this settings. You just have to go through the setting of your modem. You might be require technical support for this. Moderation connect. Yes. So moderate connections of user. So let's say आपके यहाँ पे कभी आपका friend आता है या कभी आपके client आते हैं, कभी आपके vendor आते हैं. They use your internet connection. So in internet connection, you share them a password, and if you do that, that is going to save in their phone. So वो कभी भी आएंगे और let's say उनका कभी phone अगर problem में आता है तो your network password is going to shared with dark web. So you should not do this. You should use guest login for that. So उसके लिए मे बी आपको एक राउटर का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करना पड़ेगा जिसके अंदर आपके कोई कस्टमर या कोई आते हैं, so they will log in through guest. आप कभी hotels पे गए होंगे किसी, so many of the hotels use this service. वहाँ पे आपको एक फॉर्म मिलता है, वो फॉर्म रजिस्टर करने के बाद कुछ 1 या 2 घंटों के लिए आपको वो इंटरनेट का एक्सेस दिया जाता है. So this is something guest login is. Then filter keyword, it is very important if you have childs at your home. So आपने कभी देखा होगा कि बहुत बार we have to look after कि अपने babies और घर के children company क्या use करते हैं, और let's say your employees what they are using, so you can filter it. जैसे कि अगर मैं let's say मैं search करूंगा India versus पाकिस्तान का match, so you can match score, so you can just filter score word. तो जब भी search में या उस page में score word रहेगा वो नहीं use होगा. So this is something tricky things that you should use. After that is MAC address. Only device can connect. It is the one setting that is available on your network जहाँ पे आप आपके MAC address, जैसे आधार कार्ड is compulsory for Indians, same way MAC address is compulsory for system and it can be never changed. So आपने वो MAC address वाला setting अगर करके रखा तो वही system connect होंगे जिसका MAC address उसमें setting किया हुआ है. It is very important setting of router. You should do that. Coming to next, secure your data. So if you do these all settings, almost your data is secured. Still, don't share your contact on unknown website. Let's say आपको किसी website का काम website पे form मिलता है and you share your contacts. So stop sharing it. Stop sharing your email address and on unknown websites. Upload ID proof on verified website only. ID proof is very important part of your data. So stop you uploading it anywhere without any requirement. Don't create account or unknown website. अभी unknown website क्या है? So जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि requirement नहीं है, वहाँ पे बहुत बार option होता है. You can just check कि there is option of login as a guest. So do just login as a guest. So उसमें दो चीजें होंगी, आपको account नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा, आपकी information नहीं डालनी पड़ेंगी. That can be save your data. Use different account as a personal one and for other one. So मैं भी अभी दो phone use करता हूँ, दो email ID use करता हूँ. One is for my professional work, one is for creating anywhere accounts for anywhere, because I don't bother if some mails come to that email ID. Don't give permission. Don't give permission to any website to using your location, using your data. That's what. So Eraser is one app. जैसे कि अगर आप आपका पीसी बेचते हो किसी को सेकंड हैंड, अपन बहुत बार बेचते हैं या फोन बेचते हैं, सो इरेजर इज वन सॉफ्टवेयर जो आपका पूरा डेटा इरेज करता है. इफ लेट्स से यू आर यूजिंग डिलीट, समवन हु इज टेक्निकल ही कैन रिवैम्प दैट डाटा एंड वो डेटा फिर से उसको मिल सकता है. सो यू शुड डू दैट. इरेजर इज वन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट यू कैन यूज. नाउ हाउ टू अवॉइड टेलीफोनिक फ्रॉड. सो आई थिंक सबको ही ये मैसेज आता होगा या कॉल आता होगा that you are getting this offer you can come as a couple and you can take, or you can give question ka answer. You can download app, many apps, many call and many SMS are there, many fake pop-up are there who do telephonic fraud. They will ask for a OTP after some time, after 2 or 3 minutes of call. So to avoid this problem, I have simple solution for you. Just listen to them, listen like anything. They should feel like कि बस सुबह से यही बंदा है जो मुझे सुन रहा है. After that, note down whatever details they are going to share. Take a break, disconnect the call, and now call to your banker. If let's say your that call is saying you are getting a free loan, you having your details of your banker, you just call them, ask for details. If they say they are available, you can visit and take that offer. Don't take any offers on mobile. So that is something that you should do. So it is simple technique. Why? Because आपके फोन पे कोई कॉल कर सकता है, बट आप जिसको कॉल कर सकते हो उसी को उठाना पड़ेगा. So that is something trick where you can bypass this thing. Second is to avoid email fraud. अभी email is a very important communication way. So हम लोग बहुत बार email use करते हैं, and email use करते हुए हम लोगों को ये नहीं पता चलता कि कौन सा fraud है, कौन सा duplicate email है, कौन सा सही है. So I have simple tricks for that also. So you should read mail, understand what they are trying to tell you, then recognize that mail. I'm just giving you a small example over here. So at the rate, अभी हर मेल के बाद @gmail.com होता है, right? So that @ के बाद जो भी होता है, that is nothing but the website. In simple word, that is the domain actually, but that is a website only. So you can check कि वो authorize है या नहीं है. जैसे इस पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हो, paypal/australia.com.au. This is what domain they have purchased, and उसके ऊपर से ये सब मेल कर रहे हैं. तो that is fake domain. So here आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो डोमेन सही है नहीं है. सेकंड सिंपल ट्रिक्स आर, सब्जेक्ट देख लीजिए उनका, they might be using bad grammar or email is included in that. So that email will take you to the other servers or attackers server. So that is something what they do, how they do attacks using email. So stop clicking on anywhere. You just take a break, call again to or visit that place, search on Google, and then speak. That is the simple way to stop frauds of email. Social media, now it is very important part of today's world. Everyone is on social media. Everyone is creating account with their names. They are posting daily, isn't it? I was also one of them some days before. So as I mentioned in this word, your follower is not always your fan. What does that mean? That means if they're following you, that might be harmful for you. So you should hide full name, contact name, email ID, addresses, location, and don't chat with strangers. So this is what simple step I have given. If you want to check कि आपका Facebook account कहाँ पे use हो रहा है, after the session you all can check and have a look कि आपका email account का data कहाँ पे use हो रहा है. So it is small setting in your Facebook app. If you go to off Facebook activity, जहाँ पे आपको सारे ऐप का डिटेल्स मिलेगा कि कितने बार वो डेटा यूज कर रहे हैं आपका. So this is something scary if you look after. Again, coming to next slide. I'm just running out of time, I guess. Okay, free tricks that is useful for work from home or anywhere if you are using. So इसका मैं आपको live demo भी देना चाहूँगा. So I will just go through कि क्या क्या हो सकता है. So check activity timeline on Windows. अभी ये ट्रिक आपको कब काम में आएगी कि जब आपको लग रहा है कि आप भूल गए हो कि 3 दिन पहले क्या काम किया था, isn't it? मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है कि 3 दिन पहले कौन सी फाइल कहाँ सेव की थी मुझे याद नहीं आता है. So that time you can use a simple trick, that is Windows tab, a shortcut that will go through. I will just share how it will look if you click on that. Okay. So this is what you can check. If you click on that, something like this, जो कि आपको 2 में मतलब 1 महीने का probably सारा डेटा दे सकता है कि वो किस किस पे काम किया है. If let's say you are business owner, you can check कि आपके एम्प्लॉइज ने क्या काम किया है इन सारे दिनों में. जो टाइमलाइन आपको सारा मिलेगा of your Windows desktop. Then timeline on Google. So small question कि आपको याद है कि लास्ट ईयर और 3 महीने पहले आप कहाँ थे? I don't think कि इवन मुझे भी याद नहीं आएगा. So there is a Google timeline feature is available, जहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कि आप कहाँ पे थे last time. If let's say I'm searching on Google, I will just share my screen if time allows me to do that. Just a minute. Yes. Someone is unmuted. Yeah. So this is what the timeline looked like. If you select, I will just select my Gujarat trip. So it will show me where I was on that day. 12th March को मैं कहाँ से drive करके ठाणे पहुँचा हूँ, it's showing me. So if I select on 15th of March, I was at Gujarat somewhere, and it will show me exact what way I was traveling to. It is something my personal data I should not share basically. So coming to our next is use PC without mouse. तो अभी ये बहुत बार प्रॉब्लम सबको होता होगा, माइट भी सब अभी फेस करेंगे आफ्टर वर्क फ्रॉम होम, कि आपका माउस वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, आपके माउस आपके पास नहीं है और आप वो कैन नॉट वर्क, और उसमें आपको रीजन देना पड़ता है कि योर माउस इज नॉट वर्किंग. सो इन दिस केस देयर इज सिंपल वे. I will take this into I think QA session only. If you have question about this, how to do that, drop a question in chat box. Use Google Drive for sync. Google Drive have itself is a application that can sync your data with Google Drive. So आपका PC अगर कुछ होता है और let's say आपके लैपटॉप को कुछ होता है, so आपके डेटा को कुछ नहीं होगा. So you should use that Google Sync. Combine your PC and mobile. So this is very important again. Combining your PC and mobile is syncing it. So there is software or there is Google tools that can sync your both data. So अगर आप let's say I'm working on my PC and I went somewhere, मैं कहीं जाता हूँ और मुझे वहाँ पे मेरे डेटा की जरूरत लगेगी, तो I can send it from mobile also. So that can be useful. Use Google Sheet. It is very important. Google Sheet as मतलब आप अगर टीम में काम कर रहे हो, मल्टीपल लोग अगर काम कर रहे हो, so this can be useful if you use Google Sheet. Again, use VPN. This is also tricky one. As the time is pressing by, I'm running out of time, so I will stop here. I will share this. If you have question, you just drop me in chat box. I will share how to do that. In next sessions, if you need to be stay tuned for the next session whenever I'm going to, time and date is not fixed yet. So उसमें हम लोग क्या क्या लेने वाले हैं, तो stop using कैसे आपका IP शेयर करने से रुकाना है, how to send mail from another email ID, send SMS from another number, make Android phone mirror. अगर आपके दो फोन हैं तो you can mirror that two phone. Store very information in image using cryptography. Use how to save children to using internet, how to change your MAC address. These all techniques we are going to take in next session. So that's all from my side. I'm open to QA session. Sachin, over to you. See you, Sachin sir. You there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
So thank you. Thanks a lot, Sarang sir, for enlightening us and awareing us, actually making us aware about this internet and all the intricacies of this, because we are all using internet since we wake up in the morning,
Right,
and throughout the day, either on some mode we always are. So yes, so thank you. Thanks a lot on behalf of all the participants. So the question coming up, first question.